Hi, I'm Brian Messick, Certified Financial Planner and CPA at Weber Messick Wealth Management. Today we're talking about a topic that most people avoid but absolutely should, estate planning. Now before you tune out thinking, that's only for millionaires or I'm too young for that, let me stop you right there. Estate planning isn't about how much money you have. It's about making sure that when the time comes, your loved ones are protected, that your wishes are honored and your legacy is preserved. In this video we're going to walk through the basics of estate planning, such as wills, trusts, power of attorney, and the most common mistakes to avoid, so you can feel more confident about the future. Let's clear up a myth right away. Estate planning isn't just for the ultra wealthy. If you have a bank account, children, a home, personal belongings, or even a pet, you have an estate. And if you care about what happens to those things and the people you love, estate planning matters. Without a plan, the state decides what happens. Probate court takes over, and things can become messy, expensive, and emotionally draining for your family. Estate planning is about control. It's your way of saying, here's what I want to happen when I'm gone or if I can't speak for myself. Let's break down two of the most common estate planning tools, the will and the trust. A will is a legal document that says who will get your belongings when you die, who will take care of your minor children, and who will carry out your wishes for you. This is called the executor. It's essential. But here's the thing, a will still goes through probate. That means court involvement, time, and potentially public records. Beneficiary of assets can be changed by the court if things go into probate. Titling of the accounts as joint with right of survivorship or tenants in common and assigning transfer on death or payable on death designations can help ensure the assets pass directly to heirs outside of this probate process. It's equally important to regularly review and update the beneficiaries on your retirement accounts, life insurance policies, and other financial assets. These designations override your will, so it's essential they reflect your current wishes. A trust is a legal arrangement that holds your assets while you're alive and distributes them according to your instructions when you pass. There are many types, and each one has a specific purpose. Two general types are revocable and irrevocable. Revocable, just as the name states, you can remove assets from the trust as the owner. It is revocable generally for your life. Once you pass, well, since you can't change it, it becomes irrevocable. Irrevocable trusts, once you put assets in, you no longer have claim to take them out. It's a method of getting assets outside of your estate or outside of your direct control. You spell out in the trust what you want to happen and who will use the money. The benefits of the trust. It avoids probate, keeps things private, not public information. You name a trustee or direct the assets based on your wishes. Could allow for faster distribution of assets. Can offer more control, like releasing money over time rather than all at once. So which one should you use? Wills may be sufficient for basic estate planning. Trusts might be better options for more complex or high-valued estates, or if privacy and control matter to you. And in most cases, it's smart to have both. Estate planning isn't just about what happens when you die, it's also about what happens when you become incapacitated. That's where these tools come in. Power of attorney, POA, allows someone you trust to make financial and other decisions on your behalf if you can't. Healthcare proxy or medical directive gives someone the legal right to make medical decisions for you and outlines your healthcare wishes. HIPAA authorizations allows doctors to share your medical information with those you trust. Let's talk about the biggest missteps we see. Number one, not having a plan at all. According to Kiplinger, in 2025, over 60% of adults don't have a will or any form of estate plan. But here's the reality, no plan is still a plan, it's not one you control. If you pass intestate without a will, state laws determine who inherits your assets, which may not reflect your wishes. Number two, not updating documents. Life changes. Divorce, remarriage, new kids, inheritance, but people often forget to update their plans. Set a reminder to review your documents every 3 to 5 years or after any major life changes. Number three, forgetting to plan for taxes. Depending on your state and the size of your asset, taxes can erode what you leave behind. Also, understanding how the assets you leave behind will be taxed to your beneficiaries. IRAs are generally taxed to the beneficiary. Non-IRA stocks get what's called a step-up in cost basis, meaning that if the stock is sold on the same day as you pass, the cost is the same as the original purchase. So, if you were leaving an IRA to one kid and a stock account to the other, what they are left may not be equal. Not communicating your wishes, even the best plan, can cause conflict if your family doesn't understand it. Clarity now prevents confusion later. We always recommend leaving a letter in addition to the estate documents. No one can argue with mom's wishes if they're on paper. At the heart of it, estate planning is about one thing: protecting the ones you love. It's about easing the burden on your family during difficult times and making sure your children are raised by someone you trust. Keeping your affairs private and finances handled by somebody responsible. And ensuring the things you worked hard for go where you want them to go. It's not about the money, it's about peace of mind. Even a basic estate plan can help alleviate stress, reduce cost, and protect your legacy. If you're ready to get started or need help reviewing or updating your plan, we're here to help at wealthmanagement@webermessick.com. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like or share it with someone who could use it. And a reminder, estate planning isn't about the end. It's about preserving your wishes and everything you've built. Thanks for watching.